Welcome my channel CC Educations. Today I will discuss about the topic problem based on differentiation of function in parametric form. Okay, alright. Some questions are there. Firstly, if you given ax is equal to at square and y equals to 2at, then find dy by dx. So first of all, it is a parametric. How it is parametric? Because your function is x is in t form and y is a function of t form. Okay, x is a f of t or y is a function of t form. All right. Here t, here t. It is a parametric form. All right. Now first of all, given value is here. Now given x equals to at square and y equals to 2at. Okay, all right. First step here. Now in x is a function of t, so that means d by dt both sides. This value equals to d by dt of at square. Now this value implies that dx by dt equals to a is a constant factor. Firstly a is a constant, then d by dt of t square. Now this implies that dx by dt equals to a is the power form t to power 2, so that means 2t. Okay, alright. Now this implies dx by dt equals to 2at. Now find dx by dt. Alright. Similarly, y is a function of t. Now d by dt both sides equals to d by dt of 2at. Here dy by dt equals to 2a. 2 is a constant, numerical value constant, a is here constant. So t, d by dt of 2a dt by dt. This vector its value is 1. So dy by dx equals to here, dy by dt, here dy by dt. So 2 into 1 value is this. So dy by dt equals to 2a. Alright, now here, now therefore we have to find your questions dy by dx. So dy by dx equals to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. This value equals to, we know that what is the value of dy by dt? The value of dy by dt 2a divided by dx by dt 2at. So 2a 2 is cancel out, your value is 1 by t. So therefore this implies that dy by dx equal to here 1 by t, your answer. Alright. The firstly examples that. Another question is, now I am discussing about another questions. Question is, if suppose x is equal to a sin theta, y equals to b cos theta, then find dy by dx. It is also a parametric form because your x is a form of theta, y is a form of theta. So firstly given data is here. Now given x equals to here a sin theta, y equals to here b cos theta. So first of all, in the x is a function of theta, so that means d by d theta both sides of x equals to d by d theta of a sin theta. Clear that? Now this implies that dx by d theta equals to a is a constant factor, d by d theta of sin theta So this implies dx by d theta equals to a is a constant by the trigonometric function sin theta derivative is cos theta here. So dx by d theta is applied. Similarly, y is a function of theta, so that d by d theta both sides, so dy by d theta. B is a constant, similar factor, B is a constant here now. B constant, cos theta derivative minus of sin theta. Alright, so this value implies that dy by d theta equals to minus b sin theta. Clear that? So therefore, your question is dy by dx. So here dy by dx equals to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. This value equals to dy by d theta value is minus b sin theta divided by dx by d theta value is a cos theta. So here b by minus b by a sin by cos value is a tan theta. So your answer is now dy by dx equals to minus b by a tan theta. This is your result of this above questions. Alright. Now I am try another question put here. First of all, your question is firstly y, if y equals to a 1 minus of cos theta and y x equal to a theta plus sin theta. Okay. Then find dy by dx at theta equals to suppose pi by 2. Alright. Now given factor first only your question here it is a b, here it is a parametric form because y is a function of theta, x is a function of theta, so we have to find dy by dx. Alright, first of all given data is here now, given factor is y equals to a 1 minus cos theta comma x equals to a theta plus sin theta. Alright, now here given factor another factor is x equal to theta equal to here pi by 2. Here theta equal to pi by 2. Y is a function of theta, so that means dy by d theta both sides, d by d theta both sides. So here a is a constant, 1 is a constant factor, value is 0, minus cos theta, derivative minus of sin theta. So here answer is here 0, minus and minus value is plus a sin theta now. Alright. X is a function also theta. So dx by d theta equals to d by d theta of this. A is a factor constant. In the theta factor d by d theta 1 plus sin theta derivative is cos of theta. Okay. So therefore dy by dx equals to dy by d theta by dx by d theta. This value equals to dy by d theta factor is a sin theta by this factor is a 1 plus cos theta. A factor is cancelled out now. This implies dy by dx equals to a sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. It is of multiple angle. I have derived this form. So sin theta form is 2 sin theta by 2 in the multiplied of cos theta by 2. It is a sub multiple angle of sin theta. So 1 plus cos theta factor is 2 cos square theta by 2. Here now 2 value which cancel out 1 cos in the upper level, in the 1 squaring factor in the cos in the lower level, so cancel out. Your factor is now sin theta by cos theta. Your value is here 10 pi, sorry, theta by 2. All right. It is the value of dy by dx equals to this. Equals to this. Theta by 2. Now, your given data is theta is pi by 2. At this moment, so dy by dx at theta equals to pi by 2. So your value 10 of theta value is pi by 2. So your value is pi by 4. This implies that dy by dx at theta equals to pi by 2. So your value is 1. Your answer is 1. My dear students, today I am discussing about problem based on the differentiation of function in parametric form. Okay, alright. Any problems, any doubt? So, you comments me, my channels, subscribe me. Then I am trying my best level to the next video for your benefit. Okay, thank you all.